just did a presentation on how to use AI real-time on edge for industry. And we had a great feedback. We had full house. I enjoyed it very much. There's a very open mind about those new technologies now. And we could show that there is actually a way to run your artificial intelligence very close to the machine, just where the data is happening and where you do the interpretation just right there and then, and you don't need to transfer it all over a cloud or push it around and lose a lot of time and latency. So that was something that people, I think, found really interesting and liked. I think we will reach a new level of automation. I think that machines will do a lot of stuff themselves in future, but that is not something to be scared about. I think this will be a great level for higher quality, for better efficiency, and also for better quality of work, because human beings and engineers that are so creative and that have such great ideas shouldn't be looking at screens all the time and do data interpretation. So I think we are really entering a new era of automation, and we will gain a lot out of it. Well, I really like this format. It's very fresh, it's very different to those huge trade fairs we have, especially also in Germany. I mean, we just had Hannover Trade Fair and this is just massive. And here you find high-level experts, you are talking about those very innovative subjects, and you have all the big companies still, but they are very small booths where you meet the real experts. So I love the format and I feel very comfortable here.